Now let's talk about creators insights. So creator insight is usually used by so many content creators. This is because it actually helps them to see viral videos, viral topics, content that are going viral, So to make it easy, to really make it easy for your content to really go that far, you are supposed to take these steps. So now, first of all, let's go to creators search insights. Creator search insights. Okay, so now we are at creator search insights. I want you all to know that for every social media, it is not only your country that is using the social media. It is not only your state that is using your social media. Different countries, different states, different location are using your social media. So now here is the logic behind this. Even if you are in the entertainment industry and probably your content has to do with entertainment, once you click on this creator search insight, the first thing you are meant to do is check what goes viral, right? That's the first thing you are supposed to check, right? Okay, so I found what I'm looking for. The way this apps works is different from the way other mobile phones work. So let's say this is creator search insight. You want to check for posts that is related to your videos, but because I've not posted any video on this profile, I don't know, maybe it's going to work out, but let me just give an example of what I'm talking about. So imagine I'm using my profile that I showed in the first with I'm using as an example box is with media, and I want to check all. It is not working, so definitely I have to post something.